Hmm. I'm getting kind of thirsty. I'm gonna go grab something. Probably some water out of the fridge. Did you want anything? I think we have some foku, lychee, mangosteen, and pennywort. We have water. There might be some juice. I don't know. I'd have to check. I think later today, I'm going to play some more of the Breath of the Wild 2. What's it called? Tears of the Kingdom? Oh, it's really fun. I'm having a blast. Today, I think I might go... What is this? There's like 2.5 gallons of milk in here. Are you planning on making a ton of pudding or something? What do you mean, That's not an answer. What are you planning here? If you don't tell me, I'm going to use my expert deduction skills to figure it out. All right, then. Let's see. 2.5 gallons. That would make a metric ton of pudding. Are you planning a Nickelodeon-style mini award gifting with your friends, but using pudding instead of slime? No, you're going to need like plastic floor coverings. Or you could do it outside. Oh, maybe an outside pieing game where you pie each other. But there's no pie tins in the cupboard. I suppose I should check if there's pudding. That would really narrow down my guesses. No pudding. Just drinking then? Let's see, what's milk used for? Stronger bones. Are you worried about getting osteoporosis? Is that a common thing in your family? Do we need to visit the doctor? Make a doctor's appointment? Does drinking milk even help with that? I don't know. You're retreating deeper into your book. My deduction skills suggest I'm onto something. Probably the drinking part. You're going to do that old internet challenge in drinking like a gallon of milk. That's not healthy. Maybe reconsider? Okay, good. A head shake. Now you've stopped reading entirely and are hiding behind your book. Did you need the milk cartons for... No? Okay. I will not worry about it. Something's up with you. And I will get to the bottom of it. Boobies? I said boobies? Like in anime, there's jokes about drinking milk to make your bust bigger. Don't tell me. Is that it? Yeah, that's it, isn't it? No! No, this will not do. The milk brings false promise of ba-bing and ba-boong, of ruining your beauty. No, your perfection. I will not stand for this. The enemy, the milk, it must be defeated. It must be consumed. Oh my gosh, this is so much milk. No. No, get away. Hands off. Away. I must be the one to consume. Get away. Away. Forehead kisses. The ultimate attack. But no. Goofiness aside, was this really stressing you out? I'm being honest when I say I love you for how you are. I'll be real with you. I kind of prefer women of your stature. You have a certain cuteness and closeness that even the bustiest of women could never rival. Now we need to figure out what to do with all this milk.